Every day.
Every day.
Every day across North America.
We are one.
One Direct Energy Services.
We are Airtron.
Clockwork Home Services.
1 hour air conditioning and heating.
Mr. Sparky.
Benjamin Franklin Plumbing.
Airco.
And Direct Energy.
We are one team.
Working together.
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 One team of over 5,000
people.
We are fixers.
Listeners.
and problem solvers.
The problem is with your vendor more.
We share our knowledge
And expertise.
We're teachers.
Training over 25,000 students at our Success Academy.
All about choice for our clients.
And we're business builders.
We have over 900 businesses using our technology.
Helping each and every one of them be a success.
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 Success!
Success.
We are the largest home and business services organization
In North America.
×2.
We are one.
One Direct Energy Services.
Working with our customers.
This is Cynthia. How can I save you time today?
We have 4,000 trucks on the road every day.
Here.
Here.
Here! And even here.
We're on time. Ready to help.
When it's too hot.
When it's too cold.
Or too wet. Whenever our customers need us.
I think we found out what your problem is. You have a chicken fight.
Proud to go above and beyond the call of duty. And saving lives by taking action.
We're safety leaders.
Working for over 2 million hours without a lost time injury.
Working as a team.
Making sure that I get home safely.
That I get home safely.
That I get home safely.
That we all get home safely. Every day.
Last year we completed over
10,000 volunteer hours.
We care for each other.
Our communities and our country.
Harnessing energy in unique ways.
Powering a greener tomorrow.
And even though we are many different parts,
In many different places, we are one team.
Looking towards one future.
Together.
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 I'm Andy with 1 Hour. How are you today?
Only turns on when you need it. If you wanted to go forward with the repairs, you're looking at this price right here.